Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday, and so I'm back. Now I'm back in my office. I apologize about the quality of the video that I made for yesterday and the day before. I made those at my parents' home. I don't think I'm going to be making them there. The quality's not good, and I apologize, but it's still good information, so I'm leaving them. All right, so Friday, we are in zone 5. That's our third layer of our cake. We are doing on Friday our car and purse day, and it's date night, and we have our 5 routines. Okay, so let's start at the top. You're going to get up this morning before the children and do your morning routine. Then once you're taken care of, you're going to be able to take care of the kids and put them through their morning routine. Once that's done, then you're going to put if you're staying home today, you're going to do a load of laundry. While the laundry is running, you're going to go through an inch of paper. Once your inch of paper is done for the day, you're done for those things. Remember, you're not handling the paper, you're sorting it into action items, filing, or trash, okay? And then you're completing the process by getting rid of the trash, shredding it, throwing it away, whatever you choose to do, and putting the other things in your inbox for your next desk day, next Wednesday. All right, so that takes care of those things. Then you're going to do the very next thing on the list because we're staying home in the morning and getting it done. So today is car and purse day, and it's also zone 5. So let's just take care of zone 5 first. That's your living room. So go take care of one more item in your living room that needs a deep clean, 10 minutes or less. Or if you still have clutter in there, declutter, 15 minutes, throw away, put away, give away, 3 different containers. Do not run around when you're doing this. Stand still. Use your mind. Put your things in the containers or boxes or bags, and then stop. When the 15 minutes is up, stop. Take the giveaway to the back of the car for giving away next Thursday. Take the throwaway to the garbage and throw it away. Get it out of your house. Take the put away to the areas that they belong, the things in there belong, and put them away. Again, if there's no room to put them away in the room that you're going to that they belong in, have a container in the corner of that room for those things to go in, so that when you get that closet cleaned or that shelf cleaned, you're going to have a place for these things. Okay, don't let other people put things in it. Always remember, 3 clutter checks a day will keep that from happening. Look at it. Look at the place you just decluttered. These are the most vulnerable places, so make sure you're doing the clutter check. Not just there though, everywhere in your house, okay? All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and do our car and purse. That's super quick, super easy, get that done. Then when you're done, relax, enjoy the rest of your day until we get to after dinner. Okay, now for those of you who are in the office today, you're outside of the home, you're a payroll fly baby, or you work from home, you're a payroll fly baby, well, you're going to do the morning routines, put your kids through their routines, and hands up, you're done. You're going to go to your office, wherever that may be. Focus on the job that you're getting paid for. On your lunch hour, on your break, you can think about things at home. So at home, you may have delegated the basic weekly plan. There may be 1 item left to do. On your last break, call your family and remind them. On your way home, call and remind them one more time. And when you get home, don't forget to inspect what you expect. If it is hard because there's all kinds of things happening for school and the kids just don't have time to do their homework and to do their after school things and to do a little 10-minute thing, if they don't have 10 minutes, or you don't want to do that to them because they barely have 10 minutes to breathe, then on Saturday, it's very simple. The family gets together and splits that up and takes care of it in just a few minutes, okay? So don't worry about it. But if you can, if there is time, let them do it. Or if you're somebody who gets off early from work and you have time, then you can do it. Either way, okay? Next, when you come home, you're going to start a load of laundry, go through an inch of paper, start dinner. Then once you get dinner to the simmering part or the holding part, then you're going to go and work in your living room for 10 minutes if you have a deep clean item to do in there, or you can delegate that, or 15 minutes of decluttering, just like I talked about with the at-home fly babies. All right, after that, we're all coming together, we're all having dinner, one big family. When we're done, everyone is going to help with the after dinner routine to get the kitchen back in shape. None of it's hard. Each little job is just a couple of minutes. It's cleaning the table, cleaning the floor, not mopping, not sweeping, just sweeping up a little bit where you spilled a little bit, or wiping it with a wet paper towel. I don't care. Just get that little bit up off the floor, don't step in it. Wiping the counters down, wiping the sink out, wiping the stovetop out, making sure the dishes are cared for, either in the dishwasher or washed up in the sink. And maybe if you have a high chair baby, you got to clean up that. That's it. Everybody splits it up. Everyone does it. You're right in there in the middle, running traffic, being the CEO, and leading by example. All right, after dinner, we're going to relax. If you're exhausted, you're going to do your before bed routine first. If you're not so exhausted, and you might feel energized from having all this nice organization happening, then you can do your children's before bed routine first, and then go on with your before bed routine. Now, we focused on that for about 2 months. In June and July. Go back to any of those videos and watch, and we'll talk about the before bed routine at the end of each one of those videos, or almost every one. Larry did have to put some recycled ones in there. Those are the ones that may not talk about it, but most of them do. All right, and then the last thing is going to bed on time so that you can get up at a timely manner in the morning. That's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember, oh, I forgot, it's date night. Woo! Okay, date night. So before bed routine switch, you're going to do before date routine. And then have your date with your husband, and then before bed routine. Okay, that's it. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.